हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग ऑपरेशन रिसर्च में मॉडल्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। कल हम लोगों ने जो देखा था वो ऑपरेशन रिसर्च की क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है, क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, उसके बारे में हम लोगों ने देखा था। तो चलिए आज हम लोग ऑपरेशन रिसर्च के मॉडल्स के बारे में देख लेते हैं। ऑपरेशन रिसर्च का मॉडल्स क्या है? Model is a simplified but valid representation of some specific operations or process of environment. Models are integrated part of the OR. Most operation research studies involve in the construction of a model to optimize operation, process, and system. Uh, what is the model? A model in operation research is a simplified measurement of representation of an operation. A model in operation research is a simplified representation of an operation or a process in which only the basic aspect or the most important feature of typical problem under investigation are considered. Uh, what is model? A model in operation research is a simplified representation of an operation or a process in which only the basic aspect or the most important feature of typical problem under investigation are considered. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लोग देख ले तो फोटोग्राफ्स है, रोड मैप्स है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, चार्ट है, अकाउंटिंग है, स्टेटमेंट्स है, जिनके थ्रू हम किसी ऑपरेशन को परफॉर्म करते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस account, balance sheet are the state models in the particularly representation reality simply and complexity and portray essential feature in their own way. Students, models must be both traceable, capable of being solved, and valid representation of the original situation. These dual goals are often contradictory and are not always attainable. It is generally true that the most powerful solution method can be applied to simplify the most abstract models. Some widely used model in linear जैसे कि अभी आप जो सेकेंड यूनिट से लेकर के सेकेंड यूनिट में पढ़ोगे, थर्ड यूनिट में पढ़ोगे, फोर्थ यूनिट में पढ़ोगे, और एमबीए के स्टूडेंट फिफ्थ यूनिट में भी पढ़ेंगे, जैसे कि लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड असाइनमेंट मॉडल्स, सीक्वेंसिंग मॉडल, क्यूइंग मॉडल, इन्वेंट्री मॉडल, रिप्लेसमेंट मॉडल। तो ये क्या है, कुछ मॉडल्स हैं जिनके बारे में आप आगे पढ़ने वाले हो। तो अभी तक आपको डिफिनेशन समझ में आ गई होगी। A model is a simplified but valid representation of some specific operation or process or environment. Models are integrated part of OR. Most operation research studies involve the construction of model to optimize operation, process, and systems. Models must be both traceable, capable of being solved, and valid representation of original situation. These dual goals are often contradictory and are not always attainable. It is generally true that the most powerful solution method can be applied to the simplest or most abstract model. And what is a model? Is a model in operation research is a simplified representation of operation or a process in which only the basic aspect or the most important features of a typical problem under investigation are considered. For example, photographs, road maps, organization chart, accounting statements, like profit and loss account and balance sheet are all models since they partially represent reality, simplify complexity, and portray essential features in their own way. The main objective of the models is to provide a means for analyzing the behavior of the system for the purpose of improving the performance. The objective of the model is to provide a means for analyzing the behavior of the system for the purpose of improving the performance. A model can be helpful in decision making. Uh, Student, just a minute. Yes, sorry. Yes, sorry for interrupted. Okay. The objective of model is to provide a means for analyzing the behavior of the system for the purpose of improving the performance. A models can be helpful in decision making as it provides a simplified description of a complexities and uncertainties of a problem. Modeling permit the decision maker to examine the behavior of a system without interfering uh, with a going operation. There are several classification schemes for models. Some of them are discussed below. Classification by structures, classification by structures, uh, types of models by functions, by structure, by nature of environment, by problem variable. Types of model by functions, descriptive, predictive, and normative, by structures, iconic, analog, and mathematical, by nature of environment, deterministic and probabilistic, by problem variable, dynamic and static. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये जो टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडल्स हैं बाय फंक्शन बाय स्ट्रक्चर बाय नेचर ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट बाय प्रॉब्लम वेरिएबल, इनको हम बारी बारी से यहाँ पर देख लेते हैं. Classification by structure by physical models. Iconic models are pictorial representation of a real system and have the appearance of the things. For example, a photograph, a blueprint, and a painting of a person or object. A globe in an iconic model. Uh, an iconic model is said to be scaled down or scaled up as the dimension of model are similar or greater than those of real time. For example, in biology, the structure of a cell may be shown by enlarged iconic model for teaching purpose. A globe representation, the earth is a scaled down iconic model. So student, iconic model are easy to observe and describe, but difficult to manipulate and not very useful for the purpose of forecasting. These models represent static events. Next, students, analog or schematic model. These models represent a system by a set of properties different from those of the original system and does not resemble it physically. After the problem is solved, this solution is represented in terms of original system. For example, an organizational chart represents the relationship existing between the various number of the organization. A map shows roads, highways down and their interrelationship. Analog models can represent the dynamic situation and are customarily used more the iconic model because of their vast capacity to depict the characteristics of under consideration. Symbolic or mathematical models, these are most abstract in nature. They employ a set of mathematical symbols, that is letters, numbers, to represent the component of and their relationship of the real system. These models are most general and precise and can be analyzed and manipulated by using law of mathematics. For example, relationship among velocity, distance, and acceleration, cost, value, profit model. Classification by degree of abstraction. These models are based on the past data information of the problems under consideration and can categorize. Language models, case studies. A book may be regarded as an example of language models. चलिए, classification by functions or purpose. Descriptive models simply describe the some aspect of a situation based on observations, survey, questionnaire result, or other available data of a situation and do not predict or recommended anything. For example, organization chart, block diagram, representation and algorithm or plant layout diagram, etc. Third are predictive models. These models are used to predict the outcome due to a given set of alternatives for the problem. These models do not have an objective function to evaluate decision alternative. For example, uh, suppose S is equal to X plus YE plus ZI. Suppose capital S is equal to X plus YE plus ZI. Model that describe how to sales of a product changes with the changes of advertising expenditure and personal income. Here X, Y, Z are parameters whose values must be estimated. In these models, one does not attempt to choose the best decision alternative but can only have an idea about each alternative available to him. Prescriptive models. These models provide the optimum solution to problems subject to certain limitations on the use of resources. For example, in a linear programming models are formulated for optimizing the given objective functions subject to restriction on resources in the context of the problem under consideration and non-negative of variable. Uh, Classification by nature of environment, degree of certainty. क्लासिफिकेशन बाय थर्ड पार्ट जो आप देख रहे हो बाय नेचर ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट deterministic models all the parameters and functional relationship are assumed to be known with certainty with the decision to be made, for example linear programming and break-even analysis. Probabilistic or stochastic models in which at least one parameters or decision variable is a random variable are called probabilistic models. These models reflect to some reflect to some uh, these models reflect to some extent the complexity of the real world and the uncertainty surrounding it. For example, insurance against risk of free accidents, sickness, etc., where the pattern of event is studied in the form of a probabilistic situation. Next is classification by method of solution, heuristics models, analytical model. Heuristic model, these models employ some intuitive set of result, though perhaps not optimal in the hope of generating new strategies which will yield improved solution. These models require an ample amount of creativity and past experience, but operate faster as compared to other models and very useful for solving large size problems. Analytical model, these models have a specific mathematical models structure and thus can be solved by known analytical or mathematical techniques, and any optimization models which require maximization or minimization of an objective function is an analytical model. For example, linear programming model, transportation and assignment models. So student, these are the some uh, models, simulation model. These models also have mathematical structure, but are not solved by applying mathematical techniques to get a solution. Instead, a simulation model is a computer-based experimentation on mathematical structure of a real-life problem in order to describe and evaluate its behavior under certain assumption over a period of time. Each model has the advantage of being more flexible than mathematical modeling and hence may be used to represent complex system which otherwise cannot be formulated mathematically. So students, classification by time of reference model, static model, these models represent a system at some specified time and do not consider the impact of changes that takes place during the planning horizon. They are independent of time, they are easier of handle and understand. For example, an inventory model can be developed and solved to determine an on economic order quantity for the next period, assuming that the demand in planning period would remain the same as that for today. Dynamic model, these models consider time as one of its important variable and admit the impact of changes generated by time. Thus, a sequence of interrelated decisions over a period of are made to select the optimal course of action to optimize the given objective. So students, these are the some models that we have seen. Next is steps in constructing models, problem, environment, analysis, and formulation. One has to study the system in all aspects. It is necessary to make relevant assumption, have the decision for which each constructing the model in mind and formulate the model. Model construction and assumptions identify the main variable and construct and relate them logically to arrive a model. Testing the model after the formulation before you can check the model for its validity. So we have seen here what is the steps in constructing a model. Problem, environment analysis and formulation. One has to study the system in all aspects. It is necessary to make relevant assumptions, have the decision for which he is constructing the model in mind and formulate the model. Model construction and assumption, identify the main variable and constant and relate them logically to arrive at the model. Testing the model after the formulation before using check the model for its validity. Advantages of good model. Advantages of What are the advantages of a good model? uh, a model provides logical and systematic approach to the problem. It provides the analyst a base for understanding the problem and think of methods of solving. The model will avoid the duplication work in solving the problem. Model fix the limitations and scope of an activity. Models help the analyst to find newer ways of solving the problem. Model saves resources like money, time, etc. Model help analysts to make complexities of real environment simple. The risk of tempering the real objective is reduced when a model of real system is subjected to experimental and analysis. The chief advantage of models are an operation research model provides a good grip over the problem. It indicates the limitations and domain of the activity. Therefore, the problem under consideration becomes controllable. It provides some logical, scientific, and systematic approaches to the problem. It helps in incorporating useful tools that eliminate duplication of method applied to solve any specific problem. Operation research model help in finding avenues for new research and improvement in the system. It provides economic description and explanations of this operations system they represent. How the limitations? What are the limitations of the model? Models are only attempt in understanding operation and should never be considered an absolute in any sense. Validity of any models with regard to corresponding operation can only be verified by carrying the experiment and relevant characteristics of data. Model construction required to the services of experts to the system. So student, here what we have seen the what are the general solution methods of OR model. They are the three methods of solving an operation research model. They are analytical method, deductive method, iterative method, and Monte Carlo methods. There are three methods: analytical model or deductive method use mathematical techniques such as different calculus, probability, theory, etc. to find the solution. Examples are problems of inventory models, iterative methods. This is the trial and errors method when we have large number of variables and we cannot use classical methods successfully, we use iterative processing. For example, simplex method, Monte Carlo method. This method is based on random sampling of variable values from a distribution of the variable. This uses sampling techniques. A table of random number must be available to solve the problem. In fact, it is simulation process. So student, हम लोगों ने अभी यहाँ पर जो देखा, what is models, types of models, steps in constructing models, advantage of a good models, characteristics of a good models, limitations of a models, जनरल सॉल्यूशन मेथड्स फॉर ओआर मॉडल्स। तो इस तरीके से स्टूडेंट हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर देखा। तो आई होप स्टूडेंट आपने इसको एंजॉय किया होगा।